with Frankie from Balance Systems. Can you tell me a brief bit about the company, please, first of all?
Yes, well, Balance Systems is in the business since 1975. We started our business by manufacturing automatic balancing systems used in the grinding process. Okay, the company is in Italy, so the design and manufacturing, everything is based in nearby Milan, in the north of Italy.
Now, I did spot the Italian accent there, but you work closely with Leader Chuck, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Now, we've got a couple of products here. First of all, Frankie, what's this one here?
Yes, okay, here we are going to showcase our grinding line. So we are talking about automatic grinding system, touch detection systems here, and also in-process gauging systems, right? Actually, these systems are aimed at improving the quality of the part, the cycle time, and also the lifetime of the machine tools.
So, music to engineers' ears, absolutely.
Absolutely, very, very deep technical things, yes.
Now, we're going to talk about this new product, and it's basically the launch in the UK. So, I know Mark from Leader Chuck's really excited to bit of Mac with you guys.
Absolutely, yes.
It just looks like a socket or an adapter.
Yeah, it looks like an adapter or maybe a simple sensor, but it's not, because there is much more than you can see on this little tiny housing, because there is a computer into it, there is a CPU and a memory embedded into this tiny housing, and this system is aimed at collecting the vibration, the temperature, and also the direction of the vibrations also.
So this is a sensor that goes in a machine tool, so a mill or a lathe.
Mill, lathe, and also into the grinding machine tools.
Okay, so another step up improving engineers' efficiency, so part of Industry 4.0.
Absolutely, yes. It has been designed just for the Industry 4.0. So this system is collecting vibration, temperature, and direction, and also you can upload these three different values in a cloud, and you can also access remotely. So from anywhere, wherever there is an internet connection, you can see how your machine tools is working.
So, for example, I've got some tooling that's maybe not running quite right, it's worn out, whatever, that will pick it up?
Exactly, correct.
I mean, that's a simple example, but these days it's about running lights out machining. I can monitor my machine online, live, and see what's happening?
Exactly, correct. And also it's a sort of black box, like the black box that there are on the aircraft. So this unit is able to collect up to 2,000 events, collision events or warning events. Okay, so that you can go back to the past up to 4 years. So it's a sort of really a black box of the airplane, right? So you can see the past of your machine tools, how the operator's behavior was during over the years, right?
Okay, so really it's going to massively improve engineers' efficiency, how they're working, how they're running their machines.
Correct, and also we are working with some OEMs of both machinery and also spindles, because it's in their interest how is the healthy status of their machine tools, and also how is the behavior of their operator, because maybe they use the machine too aggressively, right? And so they need to monitor that.
I'm sure the engineers don't work their machines too hard, but you're working with OEMs,
Yes.
but can you retrofit this product? So add it, you've already got a suite of 10, 15 machines?
Yes, for sure. We developed some mechanical interface, some adapters, in order for the sensor to be fitted into the sensor of our competitors. Okay.
Frankie, it's just an amazing piece of technology. I can't believe that CPU.
Very tiny, yes.
And easy to fit.
Is what? Sorry.
Very easy to fit.
Oh yeah, you just need to drill your body of the spindle. There are, as I said, there are a few mechanical adapters, so you can just need to do a little hose M5 threaded, where you can install your sensor into it. Yes.
Frankie, fantastic product. We wish you all the success in the UK with this. It's absolutely brilliant.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.